Ang laking tulong talaga nitong rotating display stand na nabili ko sa TikTok, especially during live selling. So ito na nga yung mga Mars, tingnan nyo. Ang nabili ko ay 1.38 inches ang kapal at ang lapad niya is nasa 5.43 inches. Ang kasama naman sa package ay of course yung rotating display stand, tapos meron na rin PVC mirror, ang sticker for quality control at ang micro USB charging cable. Ang ganda nito guys kasi aside from the charging cable na nakasama dito, pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng tatlong AAA batteries at saka rechargeable lithium ion battery, which is maganda kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin wirelessly. Okay, so pag kinabitan natin ito sa kuryente using the micro USB cable, the green light or the green LED light will turn on to indicate na pwede na siya magamit, or if are you using a lithium battery or yung rechargeable, it means it's fully charged. So to start using naman the rotational yung rotation niya, yung tatlong button sa harap, pwede mo siyang gamitin as the power button, yung tatlo na yan. Kahit alin dyan sa tatlo, pwedeng i-press and hold. Gumana yung rotational display stand, magre-red light na yung LED light natin. RL, it stands for counterclockwise and clockwise movement na rotation. Ang SR naman is for the speed regulation. Meron tayong tatlong speed dyan: slow, medium, and fast speed. And then, we also have ASA. Ang ASL naman is for the regulation ng angle. So, may apat na angle siya: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 360 degrees. Ang mangyayari, pag inactivate nyo itong ASA, for example, pinili nyo yung 45 degrees, first is, iikot yung rotating display natin 45 degrees clockwise. And then after that, babalik siya, magka-counterclockwise siya for 45 degrees. Ganon. Same din if you're going to use the 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 360 degrees. 360 degrees naman talagang full rotation na siya, tapos babalik siya ulit sa kabila. Guys, nasa yellow basket lang. Marami kayong pagpipilian nito. Again, this is Queen. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!